Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the playlist of Stripe for developers. In this video, we are going to call a call an API using our terminal. Let's go. Let's go. Pretty excited and very cold. Ooh. All right. So in this screen, you can see what we can see is something very confusing. So in the last videos, in case you are new here, just see the previous videos. I explained every single thing point to point. So you already expect, I'm assuming you know what is the Stripe documentation. So you see, whenever you come to this Stripe API documentation, if I take a new incognito tab, private window, I'm using Firefox, so it's private. In case you are using Chrome, it will be incognito. So if I say Stripe API docs, and then it will be here. If I just go there, this documentation will definitely work, no problem. But you see, there is a sign in button. You have an account, log in that's it. You don't need to worry about it. In some cases, you may face some terrible issues. Like this API key, you see, this will not be your test key. This is your test key. So in case sometime you see the live key here, just go back to your dashboard and turn on this test mode, right? Turn on this test mode so that your API key will be in test key. Now, if I just select Node.js and then cURL, curl, whatever you say, now you can just copy this, click to copy. You can copy this. How do I say? You can copy this code and paste that into your terminal or CMD. So I copied that. In case for some debugging purpose, sometime we need this API to paste that into the curl, into the terminal, so we can quickly debugging. Sometime it doesn't work. Sometime we really don't know what something is wrong in our code, or maybe API, maybe server. So that time we need to quickly debug that, and I do a lot. I open the terminal. In case you are on Windows, I think you have CMD, command prompt. So just open that, and then I'm just pasting this command here, you see. But there is a problem. It will not work because we haven't replaced the price ID with our ID. And what is this price ID? Which means I have to make the previous videos. Go there and just watch this and come back to here. So let me just enter. It will say resources missing, blah blah blah, no such price, because it's not our price. It's just a command that Stripe gave us, so we can have an idea. So let's go to our VS Code and take a new file, Control N or Command N, and paste the code. Now we need to replace this UC price. Let's go back to our dashboard, Stripe dashboard, and copy this ID, copy price ID. And what is this, Ajmin? I made already. Just see the price creating a video, product creating video. You'll be understanding everything. Now let's go back, delete this and paste our own price ID. Now you select everything and copy and go back to terminal and then paste it and then enter. Now it will work and it gives us a good long response. You see, now we can copy this link, copy. I can copy a command. We can copy it. We can go to the browser and paste it and go. Now this is how the checkout works. So now you know how we can call our API from the terminal using curl, cURL, whatever you say. That's it. Let's go ahead and catch you up in the next one.